All right, so in this video, I'm going to find that or show you where to find your Google business profile. So up until now, it was called Google My Business. They're going to be switching it over, and they're basically going to make you find everything in the search results. So what you're going to do is type in your friend's company or your company name, and then typically it's going to show all this on here. As long as this shows here, then you basically edit your profile. And then you got everything in here. So you can do from as far as business information, the hours, like all that kind of stuff. I would definitely suggest making sure you keep your hours up to date. Okay. The reason for that is when you update this on a regular basis, then Google actually thinks that you're open. If you don't update this on a regular basis, they're not sure if you're open or not. And they're basically, or their business is providing a good service to their customers. Their customers in this case are the people using the search results. So they are going to show the customers the businesses most likely to help them. And if they don't think you're open, well, we're not sure that you're open, well, they're not going to show you. So make sure you update this stuff. So you have the regular hours here and then holidays. So basically you can go in here and just hit edit, and then you can add in extra days if you need to, add a date. And it'll also have some common ones here, like this one. Oh, I didn't update this yet. So Christmas Day, we're closed, right? New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, we're definitely closed. New Year's Eve, I think we're closed as well. Actually, no, we're staying open that day. So anyway, make sure you update that stuff. Let's save that. The other thing that's going to be super important as always, and let's go back, as far as the photos. So this is super important. You can upload your information. If you haven't watched the other video, I basically go over like start to finish everything that you need to do to update your business, Google My Business or whatever they want to end up calling it. But it'll go through all this kind of stuff, because it's not even just uploading photos. You need to upload the photos in the correct way, where you're changing the file name, where you're putting the geo tags, where you're editing the description, all that kind of stuff. There's a lot of, minute details that are needed, so that way it'll catapult you to the top of the results. And at this point, what you can see here is, this isn't even the right thing. So we're slower right now. Let me go into here. Oh, and this was just for the search query for Deptford Fence. But if you want to see what kind of results are possible when you do this stuff, go into here for now, because it has all the information. This is what we end up receiving because of everything that we've done in Google My Business. And remember, this is a slow time of year. This is December, end of December, Christmas week. So like, this is slow for us. If you see where you go into more of the, the springtime and whatnot, like you'll see a ridiculous amount of views. It could be 8,000-9,000 in views in a month. Not only that, with the phone calls, the emails, the everything else involved. So anyway, if you're looking for these kinds of results, then like I said, look in the playlist. There's for the Google My Business, where you can actually do everything step by step on your own. If you're looking to hire someone out, we can do this for you as well. It does cost $500 to do the initial setup. And then if you're looking to do all the back end stuff, there is an additional fee per month, but that's not for everyone. So anyway, hope you have an awesome day, and talk to you soon. See you.